Good morning. This is Cynthia from Third Day Soaps Garden. I'm on my journey to making my cold, cough, and flu tinctures. I'm going to make one with apple cider vinegar and one with vodka. So in this recipe I have elderberries, echinacea, orange peel, hibiscus, vitamin D, honey, lemongrass, lemon balm, sage, and peppermint. So we have all these wonderful things going on here. This is going to be my Jamaican tincture with the CBD. I'm going to pour some alcohol over that, but we're not making that today. But I went out and gathered up some lemon balm and some sage, and I already had the elderberries, peppermint leaf, more echinacea, because I got echinacea out in my garden too. These are hibiscus flowers, and also some echinacea I got out of my yard. So we're good there. So we're going to pour the alcohol into this particular, the vodka into this tincture here. I'll finish that up. So this is going to be the vodka. Now I'll add a little bit of heat to that. Now the one on the left here, I'm going to put some apple cider into it as soon as I can get it out of the container here. And this is a by Fresh Thyme Farmers Market. This is their organic apple cider. And these are going to sit for about 4 to 6 weeks. And they are going to make a delicious cold and flu tincture. So I'll pour that in there so that you can see it. This is the apple cider one. The apple cider one is for those who cannot do alcohol. And also you could use this for children and the elderly. So, there you have it. The apple cider vinegar tincture going in and the vodka tincture going in. I'll come back another day and do the Jamaican tincture because, like I said, I wanted to get some buds to put on top of that. But have a good day. This is Cynthia working with her recipes, getting ready to make tinctures for her cold, flu, preventive task of love. Have a good day. Check out all of our products on Etsy.com/shop/Third Day Soaps Garden. Earthly Holistic Skincare, tinctures, balms, and salves. We've been established since 2008. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Cosmetic Scientist Cynthia.